Yo, what's up everyone? And welcome back to Transform Academy Larded. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI, specifically something called prompt engineering. It's like having the cheat codes to get the absolute best results from any AI. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, what exactly prompt engineering? It's all about crafting the perfect input or prompt that you feed into an AI system to get the exact output you want. Think of it like writing instructions for the AI in a way it understands perfectly. A well-crafted prompt is super clear, detailed, and laser-focused on your goal. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but why does this even matter? Can't I just type anything into the AI? And the answer is, yeah, but the quality of the AI's response is directly tied to the quality of your prompt. It's like asking for directions. If you're vague, you'll get a vague answer. But if you're specific, you'll get to your destination faster. On one side, we have a super vague prompt like, tell me something interesting. Now, on the other side, let's try a more detailed prompt like, tell me an interesting historical fact about the construction of the Eiffel Tower. That's the power of prompt engineering. So how do you actually write a good prompt? Well, there are a few key elements to keep in mind. First up, clarity is king. Be crystal clear about what you want. Next, context is crucial. If the AI needs some background info to understand your request, give it to them, and don't forget about constraints. Setting boundaries like word count or tone can make a huge difference. Finally, don't be afraid to give the AI some examples. It's like showing, not just telling. Example: write a poem in the style of Shakespeare. Alright, now that we've got the basics down, let's level up our prompt engineering game with some more advanced techniques. One powerful trick is role assignment. Assign a specific role to the AI like, you are a tech journalist. Write a news article about AI advancements in 2025. Another technique is to break down complex tasks into step-by-step instructions. And remember, iteration is your friend. If the AI's response isn't quite what you were hoping for, refine your prompt. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative and combine multiple tasks into one prompt. Example: summarize this article in 100 words and suggest 5 key takeaways. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the how, but let's talk about the why. How can you actually use prompt engineering in your everyday life? The possibilities are endless. For starters, content creation becomes a breeze. Need a blog post, some marketing copy, or even just a catchy caption for your latest social media post? AI can handle it. Have a complex problem you need to solve? Try asking the AI for step-by-step solutions. Or maybe you're struggling to understand a tough concept. AI can explain it to you in simple terms. The point is, once you understand how to communicate effectively with AI, you can use it to boost your productivity and creativity in countless ways. The best way to get good at anything is to practice, and prompt engineering is no different. Here are a few quick tips to help you hone your skills. First, don't be afraid to experiment with different phrasing. Second, play around with adding more context to your prompts and see how it impacts the output. And speaking of understanding, pay close attention to the AI's responses and use that feedback to iteratively refine your prompts. Finally, keep a running list of your best performing prompts for different tasks and situations. So there you have it, guys. That's prompt engineering in a nutshell. It's a skill that's becoming increasingly essential for anyone who wants to harness the full potential of AI. And the more you practice, the better you'll become at crafting prompts that get you the exact results you're looking for. So that was a deep dive into the world of prompt engineering. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of AI and tech. And hey, if you've got any favorite prompts you've discovered, share them down in the comments. I'm always down to see what you guys are creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.